Hi there, students. A hog, a countable noun. To hog, a verb. Okay, so a hog, the first and basic meaning is a pig. It's a big fat pig that you're keeping for meat. Yeah, but we've got lots of other meanings as well for hog. So to hog, to use more than your fair share of, or to use all of, or to occupy. So when I was a kid in the mornings, my sister used to hog the bathroom. Yeah, she used to spend more than a reasonable amount of time in the bathroom, more than her fair share of something. Yeah, he was hogging all of the congratulations, taking up, using something in an unfair and selfish way. Yeah, he was hogging the limelight. So to monopolize, to keep to oneself, yeah, to dominate, to take control of. Okay, so to hog, to use all of, to selfishly keep it for yourself, to use it almost exclusively as if it was yours. Okay, so a hog, a pig, yeah, a pig to eat. To hog something, you take all of it in a greedy and rude way. Yeah, so to monopolize all of. Okay, he's or maybe when there are kids, you have to you tell them they have to share because one of them is trying to hog the toy that everybody wants to play with. Okay, another meaning of hog. A hog is a great big heavy motorcycle, particularly a Harley Davidson. Yeah, a hog, one of these low riders. Yeah, so the skinheads arrived riding their hogs. Yeah, I think also a hog, somebody who's gluttonous, self-indulgent, or filthy. Yeah, I hate him. He's a hog. He's a pig. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, you can use a pig like that, a hog like that. He's just such a hog. I really, really dislike him. Okay. So I think to take more than your fair share of something. Yeah. My wife is always accusing me of hogging the bed. Yeah, of taking more than my fair share of it. Okay, so yeah, is to hog or to hog the couch. Yeah, to use more than is reasonable and not to let anybody else have enough space. Okay, let's see a couple of idioms as well. You could live high on or off the hog, to live in an extravagant way. So after winning the lottery, he lived high off the hog for many years. And then also to hog, to go the whole hog, to do something to the utmost degree, to the nth degree, particularly celebrate something. Yeah. So he said he was going to buy a car, but I didn't realize he was going to go the whole hog and buy a brand new Rolls Royce. Yeah. Well, he's got the money, so he can afford it. So a hog, a pig, a hog, a large motorbike, particularly a Harley. To hog something, to use more than your fair share of. Yeah, hogging the toilet in the morning. Yeah, he's always hogging things that should be shared with everyone else. Yeah, to use more than your fair share of or all of in an unfair and selfish way. Yeah, and then yeah, a hog, a pig. So formality, to hog something, to use all of. 3.5 informality, very informal. Use informally, use in a semi-formal conversation. Probably to there. Semi-formal writing, maybe. A hog as a pig, 5 informality. Use anywhere. A hog as a motorcycle, I think probably 4 informality. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Hog.